Oh! Hi, this is Ken and welcome to my channel, Ken Travels 360. Today we are at Battersea Park, and the reason we are here is because my company is doing a family fun day here at Go Ape. We are now gonna have a look. Looks like Go Ape is just over here. So I think I found the entrance for Go Ape. Gonna be doing the Treetop Challenge Express today. Let's go in. Call it Olivier, just arriving by bike. Welcome to Go Ape. Hey Mary. Hello.
So Mary has arranged a party room for us to mingle, have breakfast, gather and leave our stuff, and that was very handy.
Really lucky with the weather. Originally the forecast was going to be really heavy rain, but it hasn't rained today yet, and it's forecast to be much nicer later.
No, even with the zips.
So I was going to wear my 360 camera to film the action, but as I'm checking in, I was told that I'm not allowed to do that.
So one by one, we are being helped into the harness. Next, we have to wait to receive an introductory lesson to learn about everything before we could go up the trees.
And you've got, if you're doing treetop challenge, you have 3 loops in total. So you'll go around once, and then you'll exit down the ground, and then continue to start the next one.
To move your trolley, hold your safety line like this.
After the introductory lesson, we need to practice what we learned in a training course. With training done, we are ready to start our Treetop Challenge Express, starting with course number 1 and supposedly the easiest.
It's terrifying! just finished the first course. It was absolutely terrifying. Well, at first, it turned out, looking back, the first step was quite easy. But when you have to step out for the first time, it was quite terrifying. And then the course got more and more challenging. There was some really tricky bit. You have to get up the stairs, and the zip wire. I know I made a bit of drama out of it, but I think it requires a leap of faith that everything like this works. Of course they do, but it's just quite terrifying to try to jump out for the first time. Anyway, I'm glad I've done it. Maybe I will do the second course.
Before I do the next course, let's have a look at how the other colleagues are doing.
I was dangling. I ended up dangled.
We saw you, Dasha, over there. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Dan! 这个人。Wow, look at him running.
It looks like everyone is having their fun and they're scared. At this point, I would like to invite you to hit the like button. By doing so, YouTube will spread the video to a wider audience, and that will really help this channel grow. And if you haven't done so yet, please hit the subscribe button with notifications enabled. This costs nothing and you will be notified whenever I release a new video. Okay, it's time to strap me up. Because of congestion on course number 2, I was sent straight to do course number 3 first. That's the highest one.
Oh wow, your camera.
I know, isn't that fantastic?
That is good.
At this point, I saw no path in front of me, until I saw this guy one level down, and then I realized I had no choice but to zip across.
Right, I just done course 3. That's supposedly not the most challenging one, but it was definitely the highest one. It was really difficult for me. There were some ropes where you have to basically rest the middle of your foot on one rope, and then you have to climb onto the other one. That one, oh wow, it took me ages to get through, but I'm so glad it's finished now. You might notice that I actually did the zip wire really quickly without any screaming this time. That's because relatively the zip wire is like so relaxed, and it's like I know that's the end of it. I'm so happy. Most difficult bit earlier was here when suddenly you run out of places to walk through. It turns out you have to zip down to the other side. I admit that when I was doing it, I was scared witless, but now that I finished it, I have to say I really enjoy it. Thank you, Mary, for organizing all this. Yes, I did course 3 and it was absolutely terrifying. I probably wouldn't do it again, but I'm really happy that I managed to do it. It was scary. I have no words for it, but I'm so happy that I have done it, and I know it.